Welcome to English Total Grammar Lessons. Chapter 19. The Future Continuous. Today, we will talk about the future continuous. Yes, there are many ways to form sentences to talk about the future besides will. Before we start, please consider subscribing to our channel. We upload videos to help you improve your English every week. Okay, let's go. You can use the future continuous to talk about actions or events which will be in progress in the future, usually at a specific point in time. Here's one example to see how it works.
I am so tired today. But in the summer, I will be enjoying the sun.
Yes, that sounds good, doesn't it? Let's move on to talk about sentence structure. This is how you form sentences in the future continuous. First, there's the subject, followed by will or won't if the sentence is negative, then the verb be, and finally the main verb in ing form. Let's talk about the context for the right use of the future continuous. Look at this timeline. Right now, the people are waiting to buy movie tickets. But in half an hour, everyone will be watching the film. As you can see, we're using the future continuous to clearly describe an event that will be in progress in the future. I hope you can see how easy it is to use. Okay, on to question formation. This is the structure for questions in the future continuous. First, start with will, followed by the subject, then the verb be, and finally the verb in ing form. Take a look at these examples.
Will you be going to the company party next Saturday?
Yes, for sure I will.
Yes, of course, sir. How many nights will you be staying?
It's very straightforward to form questions in the future continuous. And you can also use short answers, as we've discussed in other videos. Finally, let's recap. Today, you have learned that the future continuous describes actions or events in progress at a specific time in the future. Just like this example.
Just think, we will be traveling around Europe in June next year.
I can't wait.
So, now you have more tools to talk about future events, besides will and going to, that you can use in conversation. That's all for today. Try the quick test posted in the comments section and let us know your score. Give us a like if this lesson was useful. Thanks for watching. This is the end of Chapter 19.